Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I hope you have watched the previous videos and gained some ideas what data types, variables, and how to print out, how to take input. So in the previous video we talked about variables and data types. So but clearly you can know now that string is a data type and int value is a variable. If you are not getting it, please watch the previous video so that you can grab some ideas. Guys, yesterday we talked about data types and we got about int, char, long, short, string. But there is one more type that's called enum. Enum is not fundamental, it's a user defined, but I think you should know it so that if anyone asks you don't get confused. So what is enum? I'll be showing you. I'll just copy paste one code. Copy paste. Let's comment out this. Okay. We might saying enum. Enum is the name of the data type. enum. Enum. And this is the name variable. What you use? You can use anything. And you use the curly braces and you write your values, whatever you want. You can write here anything, any name. Once it is declared, it's like a group of integers. What I mean by that, you can do like cout and print out day and mon Monday, and you okay, I'll show you the result and you like get some idea. See, we print out 0. What is 0 means that inside this all are assigned to some numbers, integers, like it start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this way. We can do our random means we can also assign means manually 10. If you write here 10 and if you run that once more, you can see you get 10. And if this is 10, this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, if you're getting some confusion, I'll print out this. Oh, there is. Now if you run this, what's the error? There is no error. 10, 11. Okay, we'll use that ENDL. Now I think you got the idea why ENDL is very useful. So now we run that and it's 10 and 11. What's 10 and 11? If this is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13. But if you don't use this 10, it generally starts with, means it always starts with 0. Now if you run this, you can see the difference. 0, 1 means it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you write any number here 1, 2, 3, 4, anything, you will start from there. That will be the beginning point. Here we assigned is 10, so the next is 11. So this is how enum works. I did not get any useful things what enum can do. I hope I will get it when I learn it more, but for now I just wanted to make you know that there is a word called enum and you use it. Okay, that's for that one, guys. Today we'll talk about pointers. So let's comment out this. Our today's topic is pointers. 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 Okay, I hope that's visible. Pointers. I think you have heard of pointers many times, but today we'll be discussing on what is pointer. First of all, I think you know what is variable. Variable stores a data type, but where is it stored? It's stored in your computer, in your memory. And in which part of memory? There is an address for that memory where this string is does not consume all your memory. It takes some part of your memory, and that part has an address, and that address can be accessed by using pointers. I hope I gave you like small brief, so when I print out you'll know it. We'll do it with the code. Let's write an int num equal to 10. I think you got it. Int is a data type, num is just number variable, and 10 is the value of the variable. Sorry guys, it's raining, so it's not so good here. So if you print out what is it, num, and you all already know it will print out 10. Okay, let's clear out this. Okay, now how does pointer come into play? Okay, to declare a pointer you should know what type of data type it should contain inside the pointer. So we know that what type of it should contain int. So we just write here int and asterisk sign. Okay guys, this asterisk, don't forget this asterisk sign is necessary for knowing that it's type of pointer and a variable. The name of the pointer, we'll write it ptr. Sounds good, ptr pointer. Okay, now we write, now what should this ptr contain? Okay, we'll write ptr should contain the address of num. Okay, this ampersand, it's like ampersand num means address of num. This ampersand gives, it's a symbol used in C++ to access this address of this num. So now if you print out this ptr, you should know that, okay, this is an hexadecimal number. If you don't know what is hexadecimal number, you just search it, you'll know what's hexadecimal number. Our memory has an address in type of hexadecimal. So this num 10 is stored in memory, and the memory in which it is stored has an address of this 0x61ff08. It's different for all. So that's how we can access the address. Now if you want to change this, you don't need num. Now you can change with the help of ptr. How can you do that? So you can just write pointer ptr is equal to 100, and now if you print out this, it still have the same address, but if you print out the value, voila, the value is changed. So you can see that it's like that after you access the address, now whatever you can do anything with the address, and this will make no sense. It doesn't mean you'll delete it because it is a starting point, but now you can change the value, you can do anything. We'll learn more about it when you use function, reference, and in the class. Pointer is very useful when we declare memory, and we'll learn how to dynamically declare memory. And in the next video we'll talk about arrays, and arrays are very useful. First let me give a brief introduction. Arrays are a group of homogeneous individual data types. Homogeneous means same type, like it should contain int, all int. It can't contain one int and one double. Is that type? I will discuss it in the later video. Just for now I'm giving a reference to that. Okay, I hope you knew what pointers are. Pointers store the address of a variable. So we can change the address. We cannot change the address, we can change the value in the address. So it's that type. I hope you got some ideas. We'll be talking more about pointers in a later part. Here it is not so useful because we are just learning the basics, and basics it doesn't come this much. So you should just know this, only this much, and you can change the data type to anything. And you know what are data types. If you don't know, go to the previous video, you'll know what data types are. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you got some idea. We'll be talking more about pointer in a later part when it become more useful. So that's for today. In the next video we'll talk about arrays, and it's very important, so don't miss out the array video. Okay, thank you guys, see you in the next.